The explosion of data in the era of digital transformation has created a major problem for many IT providers. Technology and the threat landscape are evolving so quickly. There's often a skills gap for IT organizations trying to help their customers with their cybersecurity challenges. At Exclusive Networks, we're a next-generation value-added distributor, and we help our partners fill that gap with our team of experienced engineers and best-of-breed vendors like Fortinet. In fact, we're Fortinet's largest distribution partner globally. When you become an Exclusive Networks channel partner, you'll be able to take compelling new cybersecurity solutions to market under your own brand. We'll provide you with unique market insights that address the ever-evolving threat landscape, which enables a more strategic engagement with your customers. Our specialization in the cybersecurity and cloud market space is a true game changer for our partners and their customers. For more information about how to become an Exclusive Networks channel partner, contact us today.